Hello, beautiful people. Today I am to start with a powerful quote by journalist Sydney that the purpose of education is to make your mind a pleasant place in which to spend your leisure time. Yes, by now you might have guessed the topic of today's. You are correct. Today's topic is continuing educations. Yes, it is our prime responsibility to increase the island of knowledge and embracing the childlike curiosity we all once had. Why the sky is blue? Why car have four wheel? Why cow eat a grass? Such a beautiful moment. It opens a new perspective and make it us a well-rounded persons and help us to engage in new ideas and hopefully result found a new passion in life. For me is to support the missions of ageless star, that age is just a number. Society even grow better when you invest in people for the betterment of their lives. Lifelong learning is a journey of discovery and empowerment, and it's about enriching our lives and stay relevant in this rapidly changing world. So guys, I encourage you all to embrace the spirit of this continue learning educations in your lives. Yes, it may be through your formal courses, attending seminar, workshop, reading, and even taking new challenges, experiences, skills, and it all contributes to your personal and professional growth and fulfillment. So guys, I wish you all trim your life journey. Thank you.